to prepare coconut water hairspray for hair growth. Mix 1/4 cup of coconut water, 2 teaspoons of aloe vera juice, and 2 teaspoons of jojoba oil. Next, pour them into a spray bottle. Use this spray whenever your hair feels dull and dry. The solution should last for at least 3 to 4 days. Ensure to use only with fresh coconut water. Coconut water can be easily found in most grocery stores. However, it's important to ensure that any coconut water you purchase to apply to your hair does not have any added sugars or flavors. Organic, raw coconut water will provide the most benefits to your hair without becoming sticky. There are also benefits to drinking coconut water in addition to applying it to your hair, as many of the nutrients found in coconut water are needed to promote hair growth. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.